Today, I'm teaching you guys how we guys can sell items in Roblox. Now, you cannot do it from Roblox app. You need to do it using the browser version of Roblox. So for that, open up your browser. It doesn't matter. You can open any browser you want. And on your browser, you want to search for create.roblox.com. Alright, and once you search for it, it's going to bring you over here. Since I've already logged in into my account, it's not asking me to. So make sure to log in into your account, and it's going to bring you over here. Now, in order to sell something, you need to have a game on Roblox. So I have created myself again. So you can also watch our video on how to create games if you don't know how to. So I will click on this game, so I can sell an item inside this game. Now once I'm inside over here, what I can do is click on the tree line at the top left, and click on Retz's associated items. Now once we are over here, what we need to do is click on Retz's passes. Once we click on passes, we need to click and create a pass. Once we click and create a pass, you can click on change if you want to upload any image of what you're selling on the game. But if you don't want to, the default image is going to be this. So I don't want to upload anything, so I will just leave it at that, and I will name this object food. Okay, so I'm trying to sell food in this game. So this object is called food. I'm going to write description, and you can write whatever description, whatever name you want, doesn't matter. Click and create pass. Now once you do it, you just created yourself an item. Now, just because you created the item, it's not going to be sold. As you guys can see, the food says off sale, which means now we have to sell it. To sell it, we need to click on the pass. I'm going to click on food, and it's going to take us to this page. And then this page at the top left corner, click on the 3 dot and click on seals. Now from over here, make sure item for seal is on, and enter the price. So I'm going to sell it for 20 Roblox. If I sell it for 20 Roblox, I'm going to earn 14 Roblox, because 30% of the money we earn is going to be taken by Roblox company, right? So once you're okay with this, click and say change. Basically, you have done it. You have just listed an item for sale on your Roblox world. Is that simple? So as you guys can see, it's going to show me 20 Roblox. So yeah, hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.